In this video, we continue to learn how to use 10-log and 20-log equations. In another video clip, you may have seen us work through a 10-log equation. Now we're going to work through a 20-log equation. It's the same thing that we did with the 10-log, except we're replacing the 10 with the 20. Again, for 20-log here, we use this with voltage or sound pressure, either one, and we're going to find out what the result is in decibels. Now, we're just in doing these formulas in decibels, we're just comparing one quantity against another. It can be distance. I'm comparing this distance against that distance. Do I expect an increase or decrease? Or given this voltage and that voltage, and I compare the two, what is the result in decibels? Let's go ahead and do one in distance, for example. The result in decibels, 20 times the log of one distance over another. And let's go ahead and do this in inches. An example is I want to place a microphone 24 inches away from the table. And maybe there's some reason I can't locate it 24 inches away from the table, and now I want to move it to 22 inches away from the edge of the table. So I started off at 24. I want to move it to 22, so I'm shortening the distance. I would expect a increase in sound pressure level. So since I'm expecting an increase, I'm expecting a positive number, I will actually put the larger number first, 24 inches. So larger number first because I'm expecting an increase, and I'm going from 24 inches to 22 inches. And I get out my calculator. 24 divided by 22 comes up to 1.09. Again, we're looking for the change in decibels. It's a 20 log, because we're dealing with distance here. I'm going to take 24 divided by 22, I got 1.09, and now I'm going to simply hit the log function on my scientific calculator. And what I end up with is 0.038. So 24 divided by 22, I came up with 109. I need to take the log of 1.09, and I end up with 0.038, and now I'm going to multiply that times 20. And the resultant change, if I move a microphone from 24 inches away to 22 inches away, I can expect an increase in decibels of 0.76. So 0.76 decibels.